Hello dear students, welcome to Digital Secondary Education Khulna. Dear learners, now I am going to take a class on class 9 and also class 8. The topics is for both class. So class 9 and 8 both are attend this class. Before going to class, I asked something you. Suppose I said to you, he has done the work. This is a sentence. This sentence can write in another way like this. I told you that he had done the work. Can you say what class is going to take today? Yes, you have given the correct answer. Our today's lesson is narration. Narration. Today I discuss very basic knowledge of narration. Narration that a speaker expresses his opinion. That is narration. Narrations are two kinds. Two kinds. One, direct narration. And indirect narration. Which is direct narration and which is indirect narration? When you see the sentence of a speaker within a inverted comma, that is direct narration. He said to me, I have given your pen. This is a direct narration. You have noticed that there are two parts of a narration. This is one part and this is another part. This sentence is within a inverted comma and this sentence is without inverted comma. This sentence is a direct narration and here is two parts. One is reporting verb which is said before the reported speech. Reported speech, that is within the inverted comma. So this is reported speech. This is reporting verb, and this is reported speech. Dear students, before going to transfer direct to indirect, we have to know some basic things of a narration. Narration is change according to 5 sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory sentence. How we can notice that this is assertive or interrogative or imperative or exclamatory? When we see the inverted comma, the sentence in the inverted comma is assertive, the narration is assertive narration. When the sentence is interrogative, the narration is changed according to rules of interrogative sentence. When the sentence is imperative sentence, the sentence will change according to imperative sentence, rules of imperative sentence. So today at first I teach you assertive sentence, how we can change direct narration to indirect assertive sentence. Remember it, today's we will discuss about how I can change direct to indirect the assertive sentence. So when I see in the inverted comma there is a assertive sentence, how we change the narration? This is reporting verb. After identify that this is assertive sentence, I change it indirect. First we change the rules of reporting verb, which is how it is changed. Look, reporting verb normally consists with subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. To change direct narration to indirect, subject and object don't change. Subject and object not change. Only change this verb. Verb will change. Verb will change. However, it changes this verb when you notice there is said to in the reporting verb. you change it told. তাহলে what will you change? Reporting verb told instead of said to. Reporting verb told instead of said to. So this reporting verb is changed into indirect. He told me. So what we have learned? We have learned subject and object will not change, only change the verb. We write told instead of said to. We write told instead of said to. Next part is reported speech. Next part is reported speech. When we change direct to indirect, if the sentence is assertive sentence, we write that the connector, that before the reported speech. Then which word is connect the reporting verb and reported speech? That is the connector here. Next, this is reported speech. You have known something about to change this sentence. Look, there is a person, I, your. That means the person will change when we transfer direct to indirect. The person will change. At first, I tell you how we change the person. Before telling this, you have already, I think you have already know three form of a person. This person I, this is subject form, object form, possessive form. Subject form I is subject form, and me is object form, my is possessive form. Like that, we is subject form, us is object form, our is possessive form. You, your, he, him, his, she, her, I think you know this form of a pronoun. When we transfer direct to indirect, we change this person, this pronoun, this person will change. How we can change? At first I say you a short rule. If you understand this, I think you will never make mistakes to change the person. Look, this is the position of subject position. This is object position of a pronoun. This is possessive pronoun, possessive form or possessive position of the pronoun. There is another pronoun, they, them, their. You know, I think. This is position. This is position. This is position. Here, first person. You know, I and we, first person. First person, you, second person, he, she, third person. There are three persons, you know, I think. So, I and we. This is first person. You, only you, second person. And rest of third person. When you see in this sentence a pronoun first person, if the pronoun is first person, you change it according to this form, subject. What will you do? If the subject or object or possessive form is first person, the first person is changed. The first person is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. First person, first. First person, if I say this is first position, this is second position. This is begins the sentence with this subject. So, this, if I say this first position, to memorize this rule, this first position, this second position, first and second, first and second. If the first person is said according to first, that means subject. If the person is second person, it will change according to second, that means object. This is first subject, this is object, that means second person. If the person is first person, it will change according to subject. If the form is second person, it changes according to object. Can you understand? I think you have already understood. Let's tell you again. If the person in the sentence, it will maybe subject, object or possessive form. That's no matter. But you think this is first person, that means this is first person, this is first person, this is first person. This is first person, this is first person, this is first person. But this is position is difference. This is subject position, this is object position, this is possessive position. So the sixth form all are first person. If there is a first person, it will say according to first thing, that first, that subject. And if the pronoun is second person is you, your. Three things are same person, but position is difference. All are three person. So if you notice there is a second person, it will change according to object. That means second. If I write this, only memorize, compare. So, first person first, second person second. Or third person will not change. Third person will not change. Only two person will change. Which is first person and second person. First person, if the pronoun is first person, it will change this first. If the second person, this second. That means object. That means subject. So now I discuss with you about the position. I have already told you the pronoun. What will change according to the subject or object? That means first person or second person. Okay, dear students, if the sentence subject, this position is subject, it will change according to this form, but position will subject. Position will subject. First, this is first person, so it will change according to this. This is he. That means this is he. This is he. Here positions, the pronoun position is subject. So his subject is he. He told me that I will change he. I will change he. And next, the verb. How I will change the verb? If you notice, the verb is, if this is B1, it will change B2. If this B2, it will change had plus B3. If you remember or memorize this, only 2 points, I think you will change narration easily without knowing tense. If I say how will change according to tense, I will say if this is present indefinite tense, you will change it past indefinite tense. If it is present continuous tense, it will change past continuous. If the sentence is present perfect, it will change past perfect tense. This is very long term, I think. Most of the student cannot memorize this or cannot understand this tense properly. But if you think the 2 points, only 2 points, B1, it will change B2, and B2 it will change had plus B3. But which verb you change? I say after the subject, the auxiliary verb or main verb, that's no matter. After the subject, which verb you notice, if the verb is B1, you will change it B2. If the verb is B2, you will change had plus B3. You memorize that after the subject, the verb may be auxiliary or main verb, that's no matter. But you change which verb is set here after the subject. Not this verb. You change it only this verb. This verb is B1, it will change B2. So, I change with he and have changed. Have is B2 have. I have, he had. I is changed according to his subject. That means I means he. This is subject position, so it is subject position. And this verb is be-on, so it is changed B2. That means had. Then given. Now you here look, here is second person your. Do you know what is the position of your? Second person, the position of your is possessive form. This is possessive form, possessive position. This is possessive form your. Your is second person, your is second person, so it will change according to second form. That means second form, second, that means object. Here object is me. Here object is me. You change with me. You change with me. This is me. But this position is possessive. This position is possessive form. So here we change, your change will my, because this position is possessive form. So this position is me position, me possessive form. The possessive form of me is mine. So he had given mine pen. Dear students, I think you have already understood. I will tell full form again. Transfer direct to indirect. When we notice the tense of reported speech, that means which sentence is inverted comma is assertive sentence, I will change this narration according to rules of assertive sentence. So at first there is two form, there is two sentence in this narration. This on and this on. This one is within inverted comma reported speech, and without inverted comma this is reporting verb. To change this sentence, this narration direct to indirect, reporting verbs subject and object will not change. Subject and object will not change. Look, he and me has not changed. So you can write this subject and object without changing. So only change the verb. If this sentence is assertive sentence, said to will change told. He told me. He told me. I have already changed the reporting verb. He told me. That, the connector. If the sentence is assertive sentence, the connector will that. So I have complete the first portion of this narration. He told me that. He told me that. Next, reported speech. we change person and verb. Person and verb. You know, there are three persons. First person, second person, third person. Third person will not change. Here, within the inverted comma, the sentence, if there is third person, it will not change. Remember it. Third person will not change. But first person and second person. First person is changed according to subject. That means first. Our second person is changed according to object. That means second. I write first and second only remember or memorize. This is not a rule, but I write this first and second only memorize. So, if there is a first person, it will change first. That means subject. If there is second person, it will change according to object. That means second. First, second, second. First, second, second. Now position. If the position is subject, it will change the position of subject. If the person is second person, it will and its position is possessive, it will change possessive form, not object or subject form. Remember it. Most of the students make mistake here. They cannot understand position. This is possessive position. So it will change this column. It will change this column. It may be my, our, his, her, not me, us, yours. So possessive form will change possessive form. Will change, person will change, but position will not change. Person will change, but position, remember it, person will change, but position will not change. This is the position, this is the position, this is the position. So, first person, that means first person subject will change according to this word. That means I means he. He is, here I is subject form. So, he, subject form he. So, I write he. Then, your is possessive form. Your, that means second person. Your is second person. Your second person. So, second person will change according to object or second position or object. So, your will change according to me, but me is objective form. Me is objective form. What is subjective form of me? My. So I write my. I think you have already understood this changing rule. Then verb. How will you change your verb? Auxiliary verb or main verb? That's no matter. But you notice which verb is written after the subject. After the subject, this verb is have. That means V1. It will change V2. The have change had, and then given, write in given. I have told you Only change the first verb. It will auxiliary verb or main verb. First verb, that means after the subject. Have, had. Given will not change. Given. I have already told why I write my, your is change my and the pen. So he said to me, I have given your pen. He told me that he had given my pen. Okay, dear students, I think you have already understood today's class and enjoy it. Now I give you a sentence, a direct narration. To change it, indirect. You said to me, he gave me your book. Okay, dear students, I think you can transfer it direct to indirect. Okay, I transfer it indirect narration. You and me, this reporting verb, the subject and object will not change. So you and me are and said to told instead of said to, you told me that the connector was that. He is third person, so it will not change. So I can write he. Then gave, verb. The verb is past form, V2. So what will change? V2 will change had plus V3. That means verb past participle form. So the verb is V2 past form. So I write he had. The third form of verb gave, giving. Given. He had given me, that means first person. That means first person will change according to subject. So me, that means you, but this position is objective form. You here subjective form, but I write you also objective form. So I write you. He had given you. Then your, that means second person. Your, that means second person. Second person will change according to object. Second person will change according to its object. So your, that means me. Your possessive form, me objective form. But your but me's objective form is mine. So I write mine, both. Okay. You told me that he had given you my book. Okay, dear students, I think you have already understood today's class. Next class I will discuss about this. Thank you all.